Construction Corporation. Wawaw Builders, 6. St. Timothy plus St. Matthew, 4. Unimax Steel, 4. Jagon Build Construction Corporation, 3. SYMS Construction Trading, 3. M3 Construct Corporation, 3. Darcy and Anna Builders Trading, 3. MG Sanidan, 3. And several others with 1 project each. 60 projects na kandidato sa ghost projects. Yusek Cabral, di ba kayo po yung humahawak ng IMS? What does that IMS mean?
Your Honor, I think 2 weeks ago, nire-assign po sa akin ni Secretary yung Information Management System Information Management Service. 2 weeks po. But before that, it was lodged with the Undersecretary for Technical Services.
Mabuti sinabi mo yan kasi ayaw ko na sana ang tanong kita dyan. On July 22, 2025, the IMS was assigned to Yusek Ayapana.
Apo.
Tama?
Apo.
Ayapana is handling...
The technical services, Your Honor.
Teka muna. Ayapana is handling National Building Code. Tapos ibinigay ni Secretary Bonoan ng IMS sa kanya. Nakakapagtaka 2 weeks later on August 6, 2025, paano napunta sa'yo? Ikaw planning service ka plus PPP. Tapos napunta sa'yo ang IMS. Hindi ko maintindihan. Kaya nagbibiro nga si Ayapana gusto mong kunin pa rin yung building code, sabi niya sa'yo, di ba?
Tama.
What is IMS?
Information Management Service, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
O ano nga ang ginagawa nun?
Yun po yung nagmamanage ng mga system at saka mga computer system po ng DPWH.
No, pero tentative yun, di ba? Walang ano yun. For budgeting purposes,
for budgeting purposes po, ang kailangan lang nila mga computers, mga software, mga ganun po.
kaya nga hindi siya reliable na pangbantay sa project. PCMA is Project and Contract Management Application.
Tama po, Your Honor.
Meron kang access dito.
Lahat po ng executive committee members ay merong access po sa PCMA.
Ikaw ang may hawak din ng MYPS.
MYPS po, multi-year programming system ay under ng planning. Yung PCMA po ay under ng Bureau of Construction.
Kaya nga, hawak mo pa yung RBIA. Ito yung Roads and Bridges Information Application.
Yes, Your
Hawak mo
Honor.
rin yung HDM4, Highway Density Management 4.
Mga application po yan, yung RBIA po ay database ng lahat ng National Road and Bridges asset.
Yes, ang tinatanong ko lang, hawak mo lahat ito.
Sa planning po.
IMS, may access ka sa PCMA, hawak mo yung MYPS. Alam nyo kung bakit tinatanong ko sa inyo ito?
Yes, Your Honor. No.
The purpose of PCMA, to provide a centralized, efficient, and transparent platform for monitoring all DPWH infrastructure projects and contracts, including those by administration and negotiated contracts. Tama?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Yun ang purpose. As to functionality, sabi niya, real-time monitoring. It enables immediate tracking of project progress and immediate tracking of project progress and status. Number 2, geotagging requires photos with recorded geotag locations to be uploaded, providing accurate and verified data. E-logbooks. Engineers use electronic logbooks on mobile devices for field reporting. Data integration uses project identification structures from DPWH multi-year programming and scheduling. Ito yung MYPS. Ano